Reminder lang, yung mga bottle water, yung water bottles niya, pakidala po nyo. And may rubbish bin tayo dun sa may entrance. Okay, rep, let's go!
Init pala. PJ.
Depensa. Stop.
Sino yun si Rob? Kaya mo mag-score dyan, boy? Hindi ko makalaw to.
Depensa. Baksaw tayo.
Sino nag-shoot ng uwi? Isa lang. Yung may free throw.
Ray!
4 cards. Alin ang dinosaur dito?
Okay na, ayoko na. Potato.
Yung 7. Kasi hindi ko sila kilala eh. Defensive rebound. Yan, okay. Pati na lang. Kasi kabisado yung kanilang mga number. Wala. Thank you! Pasensya na, di ko kayo ano.
Akin na, baba. Right. Dalawa right.
Tayo na, dalawa na yung foul nila. Dalawa na yung foul nila.
Talusik ka nga doon.
Score tayo.
Uy ka pala, hindi ka nagsabi. Akala namin nasa tawid ka. Gawin ko lang si Faye.
Ganun talaga yung mga tirang ni UT.
Depensa.
9-6. Thanks, team.
Pati.
madidisgrasya to mga to sa kanilang mga drama eh.
Kailangan namin na mag-iingay.
Ayaw pa umuwi. Ah, sige.
Kailangan namin na mag-iingay. Mag-iingay ka naman.
Hello.
Yun!
How are you? Sinagot yung sarili. Number 7. Steal by number 1. Left. Foul. Offensive foul. Who's foul? Number 10. White ball.
Number 10.
Ah, si Kamote.
Number 10 yung pre. Alright, Zion, number 5, dribbling. For 2, rebound, Aquino. 2 points. $15-9. Favorite white team. For 3, 3 points. Sino yan? Panillo, number 9. Number 5. Number 5 again. Pass to Aquino. Back to number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound number 7. For 2. Two shot. Jump ball. Black ball, black ball.
May YouTube tayo dito, Rated HPG ah.
Pa-subscribe pa tayo. 15-12. Favor of white team. 4-3, no. Pass. For 2 points. No good. Same ball. Kamote. Outside.
14.
Inbound. 40 seconds shot clock. Steal. Number 5. Pass to number 14. 7. 14 again. Reverse. Black. Panillo. Number 9. Pass to 3 points. Tablang.
Foul. Yo. Ayo.
Foul, white team,
Pwede.
number 26. Johnny.
Alam niyo.
Inbound, number 47.
Order ako next time, ah.
4-2, Sablay.
Next week, ha?
Aquino for the rebound. Johnson, dribbling. Pass to 7, number 5 again. Dayon. Saan ba talaga pangalan? Lauren yan eh, oh.
Patrick.
Aquino, penetrate, block, but with a foul. Who's foul ref? 27, block,
Dino, no?
block blue. 15-12, favor white team. First draw.
Ano na yun? Warning for penalty, ah.
No good. Second draw. No good again. What a rebound. Super high. Panillo, number 9.
Oras.
Goal, steal by number 14. What a move.
Ay!
Magkano
What
pero
the heck? Block
magkano
by the
pero
way. May bayad ba to? Meron akong libre dito.
Ito, tinapay.
Yay!
Pag tinapay ka na lang.
Monay. Free Monay. Monay ba yan?
Oh, Monay.
Sabi ko na.
Ito
Favorite yan, lalo na yung amoy.
may kagat na.
Yo! Score 15-12. 3 points.
2 points only.
Is it 2 points? Sorry, 2 points. Tabla. 20-12. Favor white team. 8 points.
17 lang.
17. Ikaw mag-libre. Ako rin pala ang isa lapangan. Power. No, yun lang.
Foul, number 14.
Number 14. Pangilang ball eh.
Penalty na ba, boy?
Oh, hindi. Potato corner.
Hindi pa.
Diba?
Warning.
Warning. Out of shooting siguro. First throw. Not good. Ready. Kamote. Makate. Yes.
Ano score?
Ako, anong kamote? Umuutot.
Kamating kahoy.
Oras. 1 minute. Is that? Hindi pala tumatakbo. Sorry. Is it foul?
Tatlo.
Foul on the 3-point line. Time.
Sino foul? 47?
Dito na lang ako.
Penalty.
Penalty rate. 47. First row. Sablan.
14 boy.
Sino pumasok?
2 more.
Pumasok?
And then, July.
Yay! 1 point.
Ay, si Ben. 18.
Jensen.
Ah, 3 points. 3 points.
Jensen ba talaga pangalan? Last row, yes! Nothing but net. What the heck? Okay, steal by number 7. 7 again. Balawang 7. Pass to Larwong. And Johnson. Wow, what a move. Oh, what a pass. Sayon. Sabla. Wait. White ball. 25 seconds. 19-13 in favor of white team. 14. Pass to Johnson, pass to Aquino. Aquino for 2, Sublime. Nagolin Aquino. Yes, 2 points. What a shot. Damn. 21-13. 8 points.
Si BJ.
Wala. BJ wala.
First quarter ba nito?
Second.
Second na to.
Bigyan mo tinapay yung ano. Announcer na.
Kumain ka na. Maraganahan ka. Gusto mo may palaman? Ayun o, may palaman. Bigyan mo nga na may palaman. Oh, maraganahan naman.
Walang gana. Gusto ko lang manood eh.
Malaki na yan, may pulutan ka ba?
Ano, gusto ko lang manood eh. Jason for 2. Nothing.
Nanonood ka na, may pulutan ka pa.
Na yan. Yun eh. No?
Sabihin mo doon sa nagbibigay ng tinapos sa'yo. Susunod na ibigay niya yung pie naman.
Aquino, uy. Traveling boss. 21-13, favor of white team. Black ball. Alvario, I know this guy. This boy is good. 3 point.
Kaya hindi ka makakapagsalita kung pakainin yan.
Makakalibre ako ng service dito eh. Yung sinasabi ko. Is it black ball? Black ball, boss. Ano ba?
Usapin nyo kasi English.
Black ball ba eh?
Huwag yung Tagalog eh.
English please.
Yan Tagalog nyo eh.
Number 5. Pass to number 26. Who's that? Oh, Johnson. What happened, man?
Magko-complain
Get
ka
up,
ng
get
English
up.
ka mo.
Ano yan?
When you complain, put it in writing.
Ano yan? Pangit ba yun? Ano? Tandem?
Ano lang, tayo ka. Still lang out of bounds. Pass break. Jensen get it. Lauron. For 2. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Lauron again. Lauron dribbling. Oh, pass to 36 for 3. Yes. 3 points. 3 points.
Uri kumakain.
All good.
Sino?
18 seconds. Almario. Pass to Edwin.
Hindi.
Almario again. 7 seconds. Edwin for 2. Sublime. Out of bounds.
Pwede yun, balance ba? Balance.
White ball.
Wala ka sa medyan.
Ako pang ulap dyan.
Kape.
May medyas ako dito, bigay mo na lang.
Ika to, hindi to lamay.
Ayaw. Hindi ko nakikita 2 points.
Laran,
Ayan. 2 minutes. 26-13. Edwin. Edwin 14. Foul. It's active shooting. 2 throws for Edwin.
sakto yung number 7 sa kanila.
Edwin, shoot mo yan, pre.
Sino? Si Jansen?
Johnson, si Lauron, at saka si Aquino.
Yes. 1 point. Ready.
Panunok daw.
Anong lock, pre? Yes, 2 points.
Stop tayo. Box out.
26-15. 2 points. Apply. 14 rebound. Top player. Edwin. Pass to Gerald Sublime. 1, follow up. Dirk Cabo. I know that guy. He's very nice. Oi! Foul.
Siguro nagka-commentator ka, nangangampanya ka eh.
Bro, foul nga bro ha? Yeah, good.
Kilala mo rin yan.
Ilang foul na yun?
Isa lang.
Team foul.
Ating foul.
Natin.
14 foul daw boy.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Fouls ng Dino?
First throw.
Dalawa.
1 point in. Last throw.
Thank you.
Oy!
Ano luto mo dyan, pre? Anong luto mo dyan?
Wala.
Anong luto mo dyan, pre?
Almario! All the way! Sublime! Oh, Justin! Justin! No look pass, but it got intercepted. Gerald! Pass to number 11 for 2. Foul! It's a foul! By Aquino. 2 free throws.
Second personal foul, Aquino.
Second personal foul, Aquino. Dalawa, second. First throw win.
Second team foul.
Second team foul as well.
Potato phone.
Last throw. Yes. Last
Yung
one.
yung tira ni ano eh. Yung gumagawin muna sa...
Time, 1 minute. Time.
Sorry, kumakain.
Up. 4-3. Sublime. Tapos. Edwin. Oh, go on. Edwin, 2 points.
Batang-bata.
Pasok.
Batang-bata.
Wow.
35 seconds. 33 seconds.
10 seconds. Alright, Aquino. 4-3, no good. Hey. Black ball.
18
70 seconds.
Kasap. 5 seconds, tira.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3 points, 1, and... Naka 3 points po.
Hype si Jero, nakakatatlo na. Hype na hype ah.
Boy, pa-connect sa download yun.
Hotspot ni Gilbert. 5 minutes. Hey,
Uy, game na pala. Uy, 455.
andyan sa ano?
4-2, yes, 2 points. What a shot! High flying. Number 9. 27, 26. Isa na lang pala. Number 9, again. Dayo, Sublime. No good. Rebound, Aquino. Dayang 1. 4-3. Sublime. Rebound, number 1.
Uy, may bola!
17.
Time.
Ay, there's a ball. Time out lang. Official time out.
Kanino anak yun?
Ayun naman natin, ha? Yung anak kayo, ha? Ang gugulo. Baka yung anak mo, hindi yung gugulo.
Basket.
Alright, time in. Time in.
Wala naman, hindi na
Wala naman,
pumasok.
pumasok.
4-3, Aquino, yung 1.
Isa na lang lamang.
Rebound. Number 7. 4-2. Oh. Follow up. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 1, 4-2. Sublime.
Sino yung nakapasok? Sino yung...
Si Rob.
Alright, good play. Number 7. Ramos yun, si Ramos nakashoot kanina. Oh, Aquino, yang 1. Oh, rebound. Si Baby. Hey!
29.
3 minutes, 9 seconds. 29-26. 3 points in favor of white team.
Sino yung foul? Si Kevin?
First draw.
Ano ba mabuksan mo yung picture? Oh, yeah. Ayun na yung
Plus 1.
Si Kevin ba yung foul?
Sorry, hindi ko.
47?
Last draw. Sublime. Wow, what a rebound. 47. Number 9. Ooh, what a shot.
Score?
Spin move shot. Panilo, 2 points. DJ. Rebound. Ah, ano rebound? Uy. Steal. Trabe. Trabe naman.
So, connect ka sa Emerald. Emerald. Mark
2 minutes and 25 seconds. 3 points. Sublime. Uy. Black ball again. Uy. Hop. Good steal. 4-3. Sublime. Uy. Who's this? Apro. Lauren. Hindi pala yun.
3.
Tatlo silang Lauren.
Ano sila? Pati yung tatay.
At tatang iba, kalaw kapatid. Lumumulaw. Number 9. 3. Ay, nothing. White ball.
Score 28.
Pressure. Lawon, pass to number 7. Oh, inside. Oy, foul.
Shooting foul ba?
I think it's shooting foul. Looks like.
Who's foul?
Who's foul, rep? 3-0.
Firefox dapat no boy.
1 minute and 15 seconds, ha?
Kahit ano, Google tsaka.
30-28. 2 points only. First row natin, man. Sablay, man.
32.
Next row.
Wala naka-festo.
Uy, sablay again. Oh my God. Number 7 all the way, foul. Who's foul? Foul. 32. First row. 50 Ramos. First throw sa play, eh? Last one! Yay! Ready? Ready? Sablay! Yay! Out of bounds! White ball. Eagle eye, white ball. Eagle eye sila. Kitang-kita.
May tawag na.
Matawag na. Wala yan.
Wala nang mangyayari dun.
Aquino, pass to Ramos and Aloro, young one. Ramos for 2 supply. Rebound. Uy. Lauron, young one. Ay, pass to Aquino, young one.
Yang one talaga.
Yeah. Aquino, show din. Ramos.
Hindi pa mapasok yung old one eh.
Mamaya yun.
Mamaya pa.
Kuya daw yun, kuya.
5 seconds, shot clock.
5 seconds, ha? 3. Oh.
Good. Keep going.
Black ball. Shot clock yun, shot clock.
Clock eh, clock.
Shot clock.
Double check. Dapat na-reset agad din. Yung shot lang kanina.
14.6 seconds, ha?
Hindi pa kasi nag-change possession eh.
Hindi, tumama.
Hindi, tumama sa ring.
Tumama sa ring. Number 1. Foul.
Okay, continue.
7 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
2, 1, for 3. Two points. Favor of right team.
Confusing yung score. Biglang
Half-time mo na, half-time!
Halftime mo na, halftime.
Sabi mo, bapatiin mo si...
Ang ganda. Fred, may bayad na yun. Happy birthday.
Okay, we'd like to greet happy birthday to Jason Aquino.
Happy birthday!
Kaya pala ganyan ka maglaro, ha? Force Hugo.
Ba't hindi yung halftime natin dito? Dapat pagpakain nyo. Birthday yun, eh.
Don't let the ball go there.
Jason.
White ball na.
Not number 6.
Alright, back to the game. Alright, time in. Lauron, young one. Pass to number 14. Lauron again. Jensen. Lauron. O, ikot daw.
10 second shot clock.
7 seconds shot now. Oh, steal by Gerald. Pass to Edwin. Wait. Foul by the birthday boy. Ilan na si birthday boy?
23.
Sino ba si Johnson?
Tatlo. Number 7, Johnson.
28 tayo.
Number 7, Johnson. Ito si John.
Pumasok.
Pasok. First one in. Ready. Sublime. Lauron. 4-2. Sublime. Rebound. Birthday boy. Aquino. Hey, foul. Sino? Dirk? 22 foul.
Kalme.
Kilala ko yan. Bait yan. Nax na.
Manira ka momentum eh.
First call. No good.
Hindi naman makahawak ng mic.
Sablay. Rebound. Number 22. Uy, foul. Pero nice rebound. Oh, tama. Ganun.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Oh, 4 minutes yan. Aquino. 4-2. Foul na naman. Yan, maganda. Puro foul. 16.
Inuupo sa play.
Puro foul yan. Alaw na ng umaga. Dito pa tayo. First throw. Sablay. Diba? Sablay tuloy. Ready?
Susunod pa rin, diba?
Paksaw tayo!
1 point lang, ha? Yeah, plus 1, brother. Almayo. Oh, looking speed. Uy. Gerald. Uy. Pass to Bayaw. Sablay. Uy. Sinablay mo ni Bayaw. Alright. 29-31. Aquino. Johnson. Pass. What a pass! What a pass! Woo! Love it! 2 points.
Sino yung nag-assist?
PJ. Pass to Edwin. Edwin for 3. Board. Third rebound. Edwin again. Oh my God! What's that? What a shot! Hey! Follow up. Number 11. 2 free throws.
Sinong foul?
Ilan foul? Who's foul, rep?
Sino na? Who's foul rep?
14. Yeah, that's what I'm on. First roll, yes.
Doon ako nalito.
Plus 1.
Ito pala yung 1 nila. Ang puta.
Ready?
Number 4 ang puta buho.
Yes. Nothing but net.
Ilan yung pumasok? Dalawa.
Pinsa!
31-33.
Paksaw tayo!
Eugene. Lalo kayo si Eugene. Tagal na yung lalaro. Edwin!
Tatlo! Paksaw tayo!
Fast break. Oh, Edwin for 2. Yes! What a shot!
Stop!
Kasing edad ko.
All 30.
Jensen, Lauro, Young one dribbling. Uy, paso na yung 14. Uy, foul. Kitang-kita ka, boss. 2 shots. Yeah.
Kilala mo
pala.
yan. Marami na. Kilala mo ah.
Si, mabait yan, pero foul. Foul ka pre. Walang gagawa. Is it 2 shots o 1? 2 shots o 1? After 2 di ba? tigilan po. Pag nagkapapasakot, sunod-tuloy mo lang. First row, tablay.
Nanginginig na yung aking tubig.
Sablay.
Kailangan mo ng kumot.
Last row, EX. Ay, isa din.
Potato. Oh, dali.
Last one, brother. PJ, dribbling. May senyas pa, oh, yan. Oh, ha. Oy, pass to Kuya! Oh my God, sablay. What a rebound. What a shot, bro. Ulit yun, pampahan.
So kumakain ka lang dyan. Yan lang yung mababayad namin sa'yo eh.
Mahina pa. Edwin! Uy! Umupo pa sa LA. Grabe. Nagkape pa. Wala lang gastos. Sablay.
Buti pa nga sila may kape. Yung mga committee wala kape.
33-34. 1 minute, 55 seconds.
Sunod po yung madala.
Call. Hoy, pass to another call.
Si Gilbert may thermos ito.
Jansen. Hoy, love roll for 3. Yes! Becca. 3 points. Oh, PJ. Uy! Iset! Uy! Jansen! Uy! Nangyari dyan. Papaw. 26. Pansi 26. 1 minute, 50 seconds, ha? 33-37. Favor of Edwin.
Wala, nilalamig ko yun.
Uy! Nikot pa! Uy! Harapas!
7 seconds, shot clock. 5 seconds.
Oh, PJ! Galing! Nabalik na! Uy! Nice defense. 40 seconds. Three, 37. Call. Going in. Supply. Pass to another call. Uy! 22 seconds. 19. Inbound. PJ, got 10 seconds, huh? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? 2 shots.
Who's foul? 14? Who's foul, rep? 14?
14. First row, ay, Pantay sa blind. Last row, Iyon! Close game, ano? Ano yung laban? 34-37. Favor of white.
Tangya pala, kaya hindi nanginginig yung mga tuhod yun. Pantalon at nakaano pala kayo.
Ang ina, commissioner. Kumaingay.
White.
Camera ka. Hingi mo.
Sablay.
Ito si Tito Bob, nabigyan ko ng
Tawa,
upuan.
one.
Uy!
Sablay.
Batang.
Shot for Sablay. Uy, napulot pa niya.
Wala si Apot, Mark.
Bakit?
Call.
Sa
Sablay.
Pilipinas daw?
Simon. Two for two. Sablay. Rebound.
Christian nandyan.
Uy! And the set by Coy. Go, sige. Uy! But with a foul. Foul by Tekamots. Yeah, number 10. Number 10. Second personal foul. Tekamots. 34-27. First row Sablay. 3 points na lamang niya. Last draw. Sablay. Uy! What a rebound. Yes. 2 points.
Walang tao dyan. Ano score?
So, 34-49. Panilo, number 9.
Si Gilbert makalaban natin.
4-3.
Ba't tayo ba magkalaban?
Ang gugulat ka.
Ba't tayo makalaban?
Rebound, Aquino, young one.
Ligament.
Ha?
Ligament.
Sila Mark Mapili.
Mark Mapili.
Wait, what steal? Number 10. Pass to number 9. High flying number 9. Foul. Sino yung foul? Number 6. Ay, hindi.
Anong 29? 99.
RJ. Yung foul ka, RJ. 19. First row, number 1. 1 point. 1 point.
Si Tito Bob lang kasama mo?
Bibigyan ko ang kuwan ko.
Ready. Iyo. Swap.
36-39.
36-39. Favor of white team. Afro man. Pass to young one. Aquino. Afro, Lauron. 4-2. What a shot. Sablay. Oy, rebound. Take a next. Pakita ng muscle niya. Barrientos. 4-3. Sablay. Uy, rebound. Take a mots. Uy, ang kasal ba Aquino? Uy, steal. Uy. Pass to Barrientos. 4-2. Sablay.
Awak muna!
Wala talagang iyon. Hindi nga naman yung respeto. Diba?
Pero pa ang customer eh. Hindi ko na ma-text eh. Kanina ka na mag-text.
Lauron, young one. Pass to young one, Aquino. 4-3, yes! Benga.
Ako may project ako kanina. Nag-i-edit ako eh.
Actually po, nalulugi pa nga ako rito eh. Muna ako ng maaga
Oh,
para dito.
Panelo. Panelo, number 9. Oy, foul, number 1. Bad Koy. Foul, Koy.
Guys, lang yan.
Gabuhan. Pass to 47, 42, Sablay. Oy, Lauron, pass to Aquino. Aquino, oy. Go again. Oy, it's a block.
Last 2 minutes.
Black ball.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 36-42. Pass to take a ball sa ilalim. Oy, 47. Pasayang. Number 7. Ilang point number 7? 7. Second personal foul. Yung foul. First throw, Sablay. 36-42. Dikit pa rin yan. Shoot lang yan. 1 minute 45. Last throw, Sablay. Rebound, Ramos. Ramos, going in the middle. Oh, black back with the foul.
Apat na yan ah.
Apat na ba yan?
Andre.
Panillo. Ay, ito.
Panlilio.
Ako nga, akala ko din eh, kasi yun yung humarang eh. First row. Tanong natin kailan naman. First row, 1 point. Tatanong ko pagkatapos nitong Ramos. Last row, eh. Sablay! Oh, rebound by Muscle Guy. Uy! Foul. Oh, inbound. 1 minute, 15 seconds. 36-43 ha.
Hindi. Sila, oh.
Barrientos. Uy, pinasa sa wala. Uy. It's good. Good. It's good. 55 seconds ha. Panelio number 9, spin move. Ooh, what a shot. Supply. Aquino Yakwa. Pass to
Second pa lang yun sa Palilyo.
40 seconds. Panilio ha. Second personal foul. 36-43. First draw. Nothing but net.
Ito ko nararamdaman, kahit hindi ka naglalaro, nararamdaman mo yung goosebump. Eh, no?
Lalo na pag crucial. No?
Pag pumasok ko,
Sablay yung pangalawa. Yung una pumasok.
Time.
40 seconds. 40.7 seconds. Nangit. Mamaya.
angay lang eh.
Yun lang. Alright, Barrientos.
Dali, dito.
Pass to Kabuhat, number 30. Uy, lock.
Ilan na si RJ? Apat?
Barrientos. Traveling. 70 seconds.
Bilis sila shot!
36-44.
Tatlo lang pala.
10,
Win.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! 36-44 ha? Tingnan nyo.
Ay, salamat. Fourth quarter na yan.
Fourth quarter na.
Ano yung standing na yun?
2-1.
Isa lang din yung talo nito.
Sa moving tools pa. Anong ibig mo sabihin?
Hindi ako yun ha? Huwag na kayo.
Natawa sila lahat.
Napakalambing naman ng...
Hindi ako yun ha?
Basar. Alam ko, asawa mo eh.
Wala ako. Gulat din ako eh.
Ano score, boy?
44-36.
44 dito.
44 ang potato.
Lamang yung puti pareho eh.
Dito na yung 44 ba?
Pagkit lang ha.
Yep, go.
26-44. Okay, time in. Now on. Pass to the other long run. 4-3 sa blind. Oniba, Aquino, one. Uy. Ramos. TJ sa blind. Rebound by Edwin. Edwin, pass to TJ. Lang.
Sirap ba naman yun?
Uy.
Ikaw yung bumangga eh.
Sirap ba naman biyangga mo eh?
Hindi yun si Aquino.
13 seconds.
Inbound. 30 seconds, ha? 9, 7, 6, 5. Edwin for 3. 2 points. Follow up by number 2. Eugene. Power
Kung nasan yung bola, nandun din.
24. PJ.
Oras.
Oras. 8:56. 5 seconds. PJ. Now wrong. PJ again for 2. Supply. Oh, rebound by Aquino. What a rebound. Oh.
Sab.
Sub rep.
Who's foul rep?
Block 11. Substitution. Ramos out. Yun ang mean. 40 points. Kaproman, Yangwan, Lauro. 3 points. PJ Jubin. Uy, pass to Kuya. Uy, pinasa Edwin. Pass to Eugene. Sablay. Aquino. Kuya. Well, Lawon. Pass to young one. Hey, what a pass. Oh, what a pass. Oh my God. Highlight, bro. Highlight.
Maganda yung babayan na.
Announcer pa lang, highlight.
Highlight na agad yun. Wala pang shoot yun, ha? Pasa pa lang yun.
Oh my God!
Magaling na kawa namin kung dito.
Lawon, young one. Oy, Edwin! Edwin, one. 1-1 pass break. Sablay. Bang pa niya, oh.
Ayun na, likod!
As talaga, oh. Uy!
Short!
Straight away, oh. Sablay.
Dalawa!
Out of bounds.
Score tayo!
Oras stop.
Oh, man ba? Siguro kayo ba? Sub rep. Oh, Koy in. Higay out. 38-47. Oh, 14 seconds lang yan, ha? Higay. Good. Koy, pass to Kuya.
Hands up!
66.
Hands up, boys.
66. Eugene. Going in. Pass to third.
Ready.
Uy.
Uli.
Follow up. Ay, wala yung inabot ko na.
Inaabot pa yung daliri.
2 shots. Alam mo na yung
Third
ball?
personal foul by...
Sino? Oh, third personal foul. Happy birthday, boy.
Pangilang foul.
2 shots, man.
Ano na yata?
Sa first quarter.
Ilang team foul? Oh, third team foul na yun. Uy! First row, +1.
Data. Okay. Oh, si TJ, si RJ ba?
39-47. Last one. Uy, sumablay. Rebound, boy. Oh, pass to young one, Aquino. Uy! Munti ka na. Pass to Aquino, boy. Sablay. Rebound pa niya.
Pinuyog yun, oh. Apat yung nasa.
Lawon. 3 points.
Time out, rep.
39-50. Oh, next deadline. Time out, ha?
Angat!
Eugene. 4-3. Uy, sabay. Rebound. Aquino young one.
Ayun na!
Uy.
Apat!
Koy, pinasakit. Lawon. Uy, offensive.
Time out, pass up.
Time out.
Technical!
Offensive foul plus technical foul.
Technical.
Sino yung 27?
Si 7. Si Ilo.
Edward.
So dalawa yun. Isa technical at saka offensive foul.
Ah.
Walang personal foul dito.
Offensive plus.
Offensive foul, team foul yun.
Offensive foul. Hindi yung team foul. Yung offensive foul.
Pero dalawa yung foul niya.
Oh, ilan siya?
Isa lang. Technical yung isa.
Oh, isa lang.
Dalawa yung
Dalawa. So, kasama sa team.
Okay.
So 4.
Bakit dalawa rep? Explain daw. Offensive lang.
Nag-call pa siya ng technical.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Tama. Foul.
Ilan na total?
4 personal foul.
It's a team.
Team fouls.
Team
Isa, additional.
Tayo yung mga bandera ng mga commissioner.
Ano yan?
Napapahiling na lang yung mga commissioner natin.
Huwag ka magulo. Technical, may free throw. Technical, may free throw.
Pero walang fit lang offensive. Wala nga. Oh, bakit dalawa?
Hindi yung foul yung dalawa, pre. Sinasabi nila yung foul, dalawa.
Isa lang free throw. Isa lang.
Hindi, ibig sabihin niya, dalawa yung i-record namin na foul.
Dalawa yung foul.
One free throw lang.
Black ball. Oh, sub. Swap.
Time out.
Time out. Choose time out.
Oh, time out ka. Time out. Basta tayo nagmamahalan dito, ha? We love brothers. Yeah, we.
Di ba talagang pagkakanosin mo matanda eh?
Pero yung record dyan, yung na-commit niya, dalawang successive na pa.
Nagka, ano lang, confusion, kala nila dalawang free throw.
Oo.
Yung foul yung sinabi ko na dalawa.
Yung.
Foul yun.
Basar.
Talaga gusto ko hindi talaga eh. Matindi.
Back to the ball game.
Bale, one shot plus possession.
6 minutes and 43 seconds. Oh, lamang yung puti ha. 11 points. Black ball. Alright, time in. PJ.
Pat, kaliwa. Ay, kanan mo, Pat.
PJ, uy, pinasa kay Panilo, number 9. Panilo going in. What a shot! Oh my God!
Galing talaga ng commentator.
2 points. Panilo.
High intensity.
Butong pa yan. Walang panula. Lauron. Uy! Jensen. Sablay. Uy! What a rebound. Uy, napulot ni Lauron. 24.
Dino.
Foul. Oh, inbound. Oh, 13 seconds. Then, Lauron for 3. Sablay. Oy! Palawan! By birthday boy! Happy birthday! 41-52. Pag hindi pa nagpapansit yan, huwag mo na lang. Uy! Kamote! Uy! Eugene! The best! May foul ka! Eugene, foul counted. Pushing foul.
Warning for penalty ah.
Pushing. Tama ka?
Rep, next time out. Pre.
Let's get locked down.
Like, warning for penalty yung ano.
Oh, rebound by Coy.
Lapit!
Oh, Lauron. Tinawid ang bola. Aquino. Young one, 4-3, supply. Lauron, young one, 4-2. Supply pa rin. Rebound, Eugene. Oh, pinasa na kalaban. Young one, Aquino. Pasto, Kuya. 14 seconds. 43 to go. 9, 8. Aquino. Time out, Red. Time out. Sino pa, Red? Who's foul? 66. Hey, foul ka, ha? Oh, yeah. Very good. Good boy.
Maamin ka dapat.
Malungkot ang ano ngayon ah.
Tambakan sila.
First time na matambakan tong mga to ah.
Paano? Niyayabangan ako nun sa dyan. Player ko. Niyayabang. Yung number na dyan.
66.
Oh, yung 66 ba? Oo nga, yung 66. Talo daw
Ay,
ako.
oy, baka kailangan ninyo. Ha? Wala?
Pinaperan mo yun?
Ayaw?
$43, 52. 5 minutes and 5.5 seconds. Hadel! Yung! Tapos na, Hadel.
Ang lakas
Ayaw.
Masyado ka malakas,
Ayaw.
boy.
Sila.
Masyado malakas yung birthday, boy.
First round. Yung! Wala pala eh. Pag birthday yan talaga. PJ. Uy. PJ. Pass to Panilo. Panilo going in. Uy.
Pasa.
Foul. Jensen, foul. Ano ba yun? Number 7, foul.
Ah, penalty.
Penalty red.
Penalty.
Ah,
Penalty po.
Jansen.
Oh, 10 points ha, 10 points by white team.
Sub, rep.
Sub
Ay,
rep.
sub.
Next up.
Next one. First row, go in.
Sub.
Goes in.
Mamaya na.
Last one.
After na naman.
Last row, ready man. Oy, same bounce. Another one.
Substitution.
Substitution rep. Koy out. Ramos.
8 point.
Now wrong. Oh, 8 point lead lang ha. 8 point. Lauron Yang Wan. Pass to Aquino Yang Wan for 3. Yes! 3 points. What a shot! PJ. Oh. Rattle man. Eugene for 2. Yes! 2 points Eugene. Matagal lang ginagawa ni Eugene. Bata pa ako eh. Alam ko ganun. Eugene. Kilala ko yun. Tanda pa ako yan.
10 second shot clock.
Lauron, 10 seconds. Uy, 2 points. Lauron, yang man. PJ. PJ, nagkakamasin na.
Walang magkawala, walang pass na kami lang.
Kamote. Eugene again. Yun, tagal ko na nakikita yun. 2 points yun eh.
Next sub. Right.
49
Next up.
natin.
Okay.
Next up, rep. Oh, good. Thank you.
Next sub.
Yeah. Good. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 10. Shot clock. 7. Aquino for 3. Sablay. Rebound, Ramos. Now one again for 3. Sablay. Oh, Aquino, young one. Oh, you offensive, man. Offensive. Yeah, Aquino, young one. Number 6. Sub-rep.
Penalty, rep.
Offensive, walang penalty yun.
Offensive.
Walang ano. 3 minutes, 15 seconds, ha? Inbound. Uy, Pandilo.
Penalty nga, penalty. No foul.
Alright.
Hey, walang foul dito. Taas kamay lang, taas kamay lang.
Paso, 47. 4-3, Sablay. Uy, rebound by Teka Mots. Uy. What a move.
3 seconds.
Penalty.
Holding foul. Holding foul. 2 free throws. Awarded to Teka Mots.
Teka mo.
First row. Uy, sakit. Already, ha? Oh, ha? Sablay pa rin. Uy. Eugene again. Ayun. Kilala ko yun. Hindi sumasablay. Pero may sumablay. Rebound. Uy! Kaasan. Aquino yung one. Sablay. May foul. Foul. Raise your hand. Foul. Who's foul? Number 9.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Ilan team foul, boy?
Tatlo.
3 team, third team foul.
Third team foul. 22 seconds. Ay, hindi. 2 minutes and 43. First row, yes. Plus 1, brother. 49-59. White team. Oh, rebound by Teka Boss. What a rebound, man. Kilala ko yung mga ganong rebound. Antonio McDice, mga ganun. Ano ba magalatan? Black! What a black! Hey, Aquino! All the way! Goes in! Yes! Foul counted. With a foul. What a shot!
Sub.
Sub-rep. Go in.
Third personal foul.
Sino?
Number 66.
Number 66, third personal foul.
Black warning for penalty, ah.
And 1 in for penalty. Hey, where you going, man? Jordan, young one, first throw. The last throw. Oh, out of bounds.
Penalty.
Foul.
Penalty.
Foul number
Foul number
7.
7. Penalty, boss.
Foul number 7. Number 7.
Ilan na yun? Sige, yun.
Sino yung foul?
Ilan na
Si
siya?
Lauren.
Si Lauren. Yung kanino?
Sino doon yung mali?
Edward.
Si Edward.
The young one.
Graduate tayo, Marigoy. Graduate na ba?
Graduate daw.
Graduate na yan.
Ah,
5th personal foul.
Edward Lauren, your
Stop.
call-out man.
Tanda naman yung Lauren dyan eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Pasok isang Lauron.
Pasok. Okay.
Pasok
First
1.
shot, please.
Pasok 1.
Pasok. Okay. Last shot. Okay, supply. Rebound. Game. Uy. Black ball. RJ pa lang. 49-61. 2 minutes and 21. Eugene.
Oras.
Basta na nakuha niya.
2 points. 2 shots. Same ball.
Jay, baksak mo yung GSG kahit tumatalon niya sa gitna.
Panilo for 3. Tapos. Teka ba sa rebound? Uy. Foul yun. Number 14, White. Foul.
Penalty.
Penalty boss, ha?
Fourth personal foul. Number 14.
Fourth personal foul. Number 14. First row.
Number 14 nyo. Fourth personal foul.
14 nyo pala, White. 14 nyo, White. Last row, ready. Sablay din. Oh, rebound. What a rebound.
Hawak lang! Ubus oras! Hoy! Hawak lang!
Number 14. Another 14.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh, 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, yes! 3 points, young one, Jonathan Aquino. Danilo. Number 9. Number 9. Uy, pinasa Edwin. Edwin for 3. Sablay. Oh, wow. Ibang yun, hindi na ako. Pass straight.
Parang may mga taluran.
Too strong. Yung mga talo na ko. Hindi nga talo ko eh. Di pa yun. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Ha? Panilo. Uy, nag-ikot mo na. Sablay. Rebound. Uy, what a pass. Uy, may exhibition si RJ ah. Alright. Foul. Sabrep. Sinong foul? Ramos. Foul.
Stop.
2 free throws awarded to Mr. Ecadre. First shot. Nya.
Ay, rebound bay.
Grabe ka naman. Natawa siya.
Pre, galing mo pre.
Borsik yan bukas. Sige ka.
Yo, wala yung kinig kita rin yun. Right yes, hindi naman yun. Ibigyan mo yan eh. Alright, 1 minute. Ramos. Ganap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Dads.
14 seconds shot clock.
14 seconds, ha? Uy! Na-steal ni Edwin. Uy! Pinasa sa labas. Kay Teka Mots. Ginawa. 43 seconds, ha? 42.9. Uy! Naunin. Lauron. Kaya ko nag-ubos ng oras ko eh. Lauron. Pinasa kay Aquino. Wala siya. Aquino Yangwa. 2 points. 26 seconds. Panilo for 3. Yes, 3 points. Now wrong. Alright. 10 seconds, huh? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Congratulate niyo ang inyong mga kalaban. Magyakapan kayo. Parang magkakaibigan na hindi nagkita ng mga 5 taon.